Yo, what is going on? So today I'm gonna show you how to use bunny models with Fooocus. So first of all, you're gonna download and install Fooocus. You're gonna download by clicking on this link down in the description. So when you open it, you're gonna scroll all the way down till you see this link right there. Click here to install Fooocus. You're gonna install it and continue. After you install it, you're gonna obtain pony model. Acquire pony models from sources like Civitai or other model repositories. Make sure the model is compatible with Fooocus. The third step is to place pony models in the correct folder. Put the pony models in the Fooocus/models directory, specifically in the checkpoints or LoRa subfolder, depending on the model type. For example, if you have a checkpoint trained type model like Dream Sharper, place it in the checkpoints folder. Now the fourth step is to configure Fooocus to use pony models. In the advanced settings section of the Fooocus, set the base model to none, referring to the pony model, and specify the pony model's path. Prompt engineering: when generating images, use prompts that include pony models keywords to instruct Fooocus to utilize the pony model. You can find guidance on prompt engineering on the Fooocus documentation for online resources. 6. Optional LoRa models. If your pony model comes with the LoRa files, place them in the LoRa's folder and configure Fooocus to use them in conjunction with your base pony model. Monitor and adjust. Keep an eye on the generation process and adjust your prompts, model settings, or other parameters as needed to achieve desired results. Make sure to be patient and experienced with different prompts and settings because pony models can unrely and may require multiple generations to produce desired results. Fooocus only supports SDXL models by default. If you want to use pony models, you need to configure Fooocus as described above. Now if you want more info online, you can go to Fooocus subreddit. So yeah, and that is it.